Page 15, Merrily We Roll Along. In this lesson, they're introducing you to another type of note. We've had quarter notes and we've had half notes. Now we get the whole note. So when I first started explaining notes, I started with a whole note. Well, it's just an empty circle. That's a whole note. It's the same as 4 quarter notes. So if a quarter note gets a count, a whole note gets 4 counts. We have to consider these things because a quarter note is not always going to get a count. It is for now. But the relationship between these notes is always the same. So you have a whole note, and then there's 2 half notes equal to a whole note, and there's 2 quarter notes equal to a half note, and it keeps dividing so you can figure it out. Okay. And in this Merrily We Roll Along, you'll see in the last measure that the second line, that's a whole note. Hold it down for 4 counts. Now we're using the same keys we've been using. These keys, the black keys, the group of 3 black keys around middle C. There's middle C, and these are here. And here, the right hand's playing the first. You see the stems are going up in the first line. The right hand plays it. The stems going down in the second line. The left hand plays those. So the right hand is here. And have both hands up here for the whole thing. Okay, don't be taking your hands off any more than you have to. Here, it's just here. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And the second line is almost the same. 3 in that last measure is 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, that's it. And the counting and the notes and all. And look at the beginning of the first line. You see an F for forte. Remember, that means loud. And that's it. You don't get any other. There's no P anywhere. So you just play the whole thing loud. Because when they give you a dynamic like that, you stick with it until they give you something else. Or the piece ends, whichever comes first. So this is loud. And you'll have to decide what loud is. Not super loud. Just loud. Okay. It's too early in the morning for me to be loud, but okay. So when you can play this okay with no hesitations, and by the way, you need to be trying to do this without looking at the keyboard. We have to develop over time a feel for the keys and where they are and what things are doing, and to remember which finger is on which key, to be able to do that. It sounds kind of complicated. It's actually pretty, I don't know how to explain it. It comes. And it doesn't take a lot of effort to come. It comes as long as you work at it. So I'm asking you to be doing these things without looking at the keyboard. You might have to look at first, but you want to get to where you don't have to look. You can remember which finger is on which key. I would like to play this duet thing at the bottom, and you play along with us. I'm going to give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. And let's play it together. 1, 2, ready, go.